What's up and welcome back. My name is Miller and I'm here camping again. I got to the same spot that I was at last time. As you can see, there's not a lot of snow, and I thought there was going to be, which is kind of disappointing, but we've had some pretty incredible weather. I think it's like +2 right now. I'm not sure. Let's get set up. Over here. We obviously aren't working with a lot of space in here, but I'm currently in the process of setting it all up. I'm also by myself today, so there's a tiny bit more room in here. So I've got a lot of blankets again. Sleeping bag, another sleeping bag, and then there's one more sleeping bag behind you guys there. I've got a wool blanket underneath it all. I'm pretty much just getting the bed all set up and ready, because I don't want to be doing that while it's dark out. Trying to make everything nice and neat. Time for a quick little snack before dinner. Just got a ham and turkey sandwich with some marbled cheese and lettuce. It's like on the middle of the ice. He must have been fishing. And I'm just like, that's sketchy. He had his whole, he had a whole tent set up. I'm gonna make some food and sit by the fire for a bit longer, and then probably, honestly, get ready to relax in bed. I brought my iPad again, so I'm gonna end up watching a movie. There we go. So cool. Buttered buns, and I've also got a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, this pasta has a name. I guess it's a soup. Anyways, it's called pasta fagioli. Some nice Parmesan on there. Nice. Having like a warm meal by a warm fire. That was cringy. This fire's keeping me nice and warm, that's for sure. I also brought my iPad. I think I said that actually. Yeah. So after this, let the fire burn down a little bit. Go watch this show that my girlfriend and I started on Netflix. So far it's really good. And I told her, I said, I'm watching episode 2 while I'm camping, so you better watch episode 2. So we're on the same page. That's probably only like 5:32, which is crazy, but definitely gonna be having the early night tonight. Also, nobody else here anymore. The last two guys left probably half hour ago. Yeah. So it's like just dead quiet out here. Okay. I just cleaned everything up. I'm gonna sit outside the fire for a little bit, but I put everything I need for the morning in here. So I've got my water, I've got my propane, my mug, and my element, I guess, as well as my cooler. And I got my buddy heater running right now just to warm up the space for me before I get ready to go in there. Okay. All right. Good morning. It's currently 8:25. I slept all right. Woke up a few times throughout the night. It was like freezing rain or something at one point, and we did get some snow. But I'm just warming up for a bit in here, and then I'm gonna go outside and start a fire. Oh yeah, it did, or get down to, I guess, -1 degree Celsius in here, so it was a little chilly. But yeah, I woke up in the, I don't know, it must have been at like 4 o'clock in the morning or something. I woke up and turned the buddy heater on for a little bit. Okay guys, I know I did the same thing last time, but I'm gonna try to get the whiskey jack to land right here. Come get it. It's literally on my camera. I am not doing anything special for breakfast today. I've just got a bowl of cereal. That's it. Oh, and I'm gonna do hot chocolate, but I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that out here or in the back of my truck yet. So I'm just trying to warm up because it's chilly. All right, we've got our water starting to boil. I'm about to start eating my cereal, and then I'm gonna have hot chocolate once it's ready. Yum! Hot chocolate is ready. Still munching away on the cereal. Gonna add a little bit of milk to cool it off. Just getting steamy in here too. It is plus 10 degrees inside the back of the truck. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.